Tara na, Oktoberfest na, Rick moderately. 6-point game in favor of Ginebra here in the early moments of the third quarter. Boy, na kay Jose Valenzuela, he spots and misses. Eric Beck with a rebound that's blocked by Arvin Santos. One more try, and that is persistent for Major Payne. Eric Beck in double figures with 10 points. Here's Gary David. Yes, sir. He is first. Gary David has been hot. He is 3 out of 3 from 3-point range. And only went 1 out of 3 from 2-point range. But it seems every time he's on the court, as long as it's a good shot, he's been making it. Crucial basket there for Air 21. Ginebra threatening to build a big lead here in the third quarter. Here comes Menk on the move. And the layup is good. 12 points for a revitalized Eric Menk here in the finals. Back to a 7-point Ginebra lead. Nice bounce pass inside, but Arvin Santos misses. But that's sometimes yung naging problema ni Arvin Santos. He releases the ball too early. Especially pag maliit yung bantay niya, he actually has enough time para i-at-inta yung bola na maigi. And Ginebra goes back to Menk. Is the man of the moment. With an open layup. And we hear the thundering roar mula sa Barangay Big Dome. Ecstatic over the performance of Eric Menk with 14 points and 11 rebounds. Best player of the conference back in 2004 in the Fiesta Conference, and he was named Finals MVP. And a year after, once again was named Best Player of the Conference in the Philippine Cup, and again Finals MVP. Certainly a power of strength para sa Ginebra, and became MVP that same year. Eric Menk, his career coming back to life, and he is the man of the moment for Ginebra here in the third quarter. Ilang digit-digit na galaw ni Eric Menk at the post, really taking advantage of Ranidel De Ocampo. On the other side, no choice for Air 21 but to find an answer to Eric Menk. Pinasok na nila si Doug Kramer. You know, the question surrounding the health of course, J.J. Hildenbrand, foregone conclusion, is out. Mark Aguiwa, obviously in this game, not playing 100% and Gary David on court. The question was, who would be that other local that will provide support for Chris Alexander? Eric Menk is answering that question tonight. Definitely, because if you look at Eric Menk, he's a guy that all you have to do is give it to him at the post. The rest of the guys have to create their own shot. And like I said, Game 7, mga finals, napaka-importante ng post-pressure. Kasi ayan na, charging naman ngayon ng tinawag kay Gary David. Wheels coming off for Air 21 in this quarter, Miko. Third personal laban kay Gary David. But the Pirasol very cautious here with 8:05 remaining in the third quarter. You don't want Ginebra to pull away. It's a 9-point game with 8 minutes remaining in the third period. Go to Menk again, this time against Doug Kramer. Menk, what a layup! It is a foul! Bigo, kanina nakakita natin, kumapantay sa kanya si Ranidel De Ocampo. Doug Kramer, maguhan to. Eric Menk has been in the business for almost 9 years now in the league. Too many moves for Doug Kramer. Too strong for Doug Kramer. And there's nagsitis ng free throw, nakakuha pa rin si Eric Menk. Right now, Air 21 has to find their bearing. They are looking for Menk here. Ball is withdrawn on Subid, withdraws to shoot. Subid makes his move. Subid off the glass. And Miko, it's not just Eric Menk. It's